Okay, this square was made by using my mother's method, using the diknuk as the unit of measurement in both directions. And I used the diknuk as a unit of measurement to make this square, and I was asked to double the size of the square each time, doubling the size of the square. So that's what I did with the diknuk. I doubled the diknuk so that it became this size. And I continued doubling each square so they nest beautifully in between each other until I came to this largest piece. This was doubled into that, and Jerry will now cover some of the mathematical ideas we could use in the classroom.
As you know, Dora, I've been really impressed with the way you make your projects and how much we've learned from your mother. So right now we just want to talk about maybe 2 or 3 ideas for the use in the classroom. So the first one that jumps out at me is the big idea of scaling. So you took this one measure, what you're calling your diknuk, and then you used it to create your square, and your original square was 2 of these long. And then you doubled your measure, you came up with the next one, which is 2 times longer, so that square would be 2 diknuks long. And then the next one will be 4 diknuks long. And if you want to compare that, so we show that it matches up. And great. And then the next one is this one, which is going to be 8 long. You can see it's twice the length of this one. And the last square you made is this one, and so it's going to be 16 units of length longer. And so what you have here is a beautiful arithmetic progression by length, going from 1 to 2 to 4 to 8 to 16 every time it's done by a multiple of 2 or by the powers of 2. And then by area, you have a geometric progression, because as we can see from your tiny one, this next square is 4 times bigger in area. You can see that. And then the next one up, it's 4 times bigger than the next one. And we continue in this geometric progression of each square that was doubled by length is 4 times bigger in area. And then finally, we come to this giant one, which is 4 times bigger than the previous one. So this is a geometric progression. If we started with the 1 square diknuk area, which is that, it's this one here, is the 1 square area. Then it goes to the 4 square area, to the 16, to the 64 square area, and then, oh my goodness, this one is 256 square diknuks. And so here we have 2 different progressions today. One is a length or arithmetic progression, and the other is a geometric progression by area. These kinds of lessons could be used in school for teaching this and other things which we'll pick up in later videos.